Hi, do you want to become fluent in English but you are not getting right guidance? If that's you, then this is Rajendra. I'm working professional having more than 10 years experience in working with international client. If you want to take your communication skill to the next level, then you are on the right place. Recently, we launched Spoken English course, which is purely based on hands-on learning, which will help you to take your communication skill from the current to the next level. Our course is comprises in 6 modules. Module 1, assessing your pre-English knowledge, where you will be taking through different assessment in writing, listening and reading, where your gaps will be identified and based on those gaps you will be trained. Module 2, it is hands-on learning on listening skill, where you will be working upon your listening skill, where your listening skill will be enhanced through multiple activities. For example, you will get an opportunity to listen native speaker, and that's how you can enhance your listening skill. Module 3, processing, hands-on learning on processing. Whatever you learn so far from expert, from working professional and the native speaker, how to process upon those things so that you can give effective response to the front person. So those skills will be enhanced through a different hands-on activity. Module 4, hands-on learning on speaking, where you will get an opportunity to connect with the expert, working professional, native speaker and your colleague, where you can have a one-on-one conversation with them, which will enhance your speaking skill. Module 5 is hands-on learning on multiple activities or practice session, where you will be engaged with multiple activities, where you will be given one spontaneous topic where you will be asked to put your thought or speak about that topic, which will enhance your thinking, responding effective ability. You will be engaged in a different activities to practice more. And the last one module is nothing but this is the advanced module, where you will be guided in enhancing phrasal verb, vocabularies, advanced verb. After incorporating those things in your speaking will become lucrative and you can take your current English level to the next level. So if you are interested in this course, then please reach out to us on this given contact details. I will be very happy and looking forward to meeting you soon in teaching you in the session. Take care. Bye-bye.